Hello, 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 everyone. Hello, everyone. Okay, you guys can hear me? Amazing, amazing. Hope you guys having a great weekend or a great Friday. Welcome. Today we are going to do some premium LeetCode problems, right? And it is a fun one. Yo, unknown, what's up? Happy Saturday, boss. Happy weekend. How you doing? Big fan. Thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, ready for some good, interesting problem today? Friend requests 1, overall acceptance rate, and the companies is mostly Meta in the last more than 6 months ago, so not asked a lot, but it is a nice one as far as I've heard. I know. I just wanted to do a lead code problem. I was like, I have missed 2 already this week. I want to do at least 1, right? So yeah, that's we'll do this, right, and then I'll go to bed. I'll try to finish this ASAP, and then we'll go to bed. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can. You probably can't see this because it's a premium one. So let me share this in the Discord. Visit involves. Good morning, Ashish. What's up, bro? What's up? What's up? Let me share it in the flex zone. First, second. Sure, sure, boss. You want right now? You want to ask anything here, or you want like after the stream, privately? I got an offer letter, but it seems fishy. Can you see it? Sure. Send it. Send it right now. I'll have a look. Okay, pandas keyboard looks like this. Okay, we'll see those things later. Uh, Here we go. All the images are here. If they say they will give you completion certification, then it's a scam. Oh, okay. Let me look in privately. One sec. I'll give you the answer. They're saying that they will give me a stipend of 20 per month. Okay. And what's the job? And what is the company name? Those are important stuff. But it still looks bad to me because they're asking. Yeah, they don't. No, no, no. I'll tell you right now, no. Okay, give me one sec. Let me read through it. CyReady. Let's take this guy down. That doesn't make sense. Clinch bridge. One second. I'm just looking at one or two more things to give you say something before I. Sorry, I'm not being able. Okay. Nah, dude, this looks fucked up. Yo, Idor, what's up, bro? Okay. Yeah. Oh, nice, bro. How was the presentation? Yeah, dude. Like, it looks like a scam. So here is the thing, right? They gave this, um, like, the name of the company. If I go a little bit more deeper into this, people here, everybody here is a student here. Intern, HR, aspiring IT engineer. Okay. Open to work. Open to work. Final year student. Looks like a student. Aspiring. Everybody here is a student. Nah, dude, this looks sus, bro. Honestly, this looks sus. Every single person is open to work. Majority of them here. Rahul Sharvananan. Yeah, no, dude. Even if they do, like, they're just providing a certificate. And it's a 1 month old company. They don't have anything after more than 1 month. It's Mumbai. So there is the thing, right? One, two, all are 1 month ago. All are 1 month ago. This is 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, or 5 days ago. Yeah, I don't see it, bro. Like I Mahatma Gandhi Road, Ashok, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't think so. This is legit. Honest with you, doesn't look legit to me at all. Like I said, they gave completion certificate. Yeah, yeah. There's a lot of people like why you don't need a completion certificate. Well, if you're working for me, I'm already giving you that. There is no need to like actually do this bullshit. Yeah, yeah. Don't do that. If anybody's asking you for money to join or something and like provide you with this, you don't need it, man. Even like I'll tell you this, right? My cousin also got a proper company internship, right? But he didn't learn much there. He just was actually like doing very minimal stuff, right? And like had to pay this. I don't see. Yeah, yeah. Like Dexter is Dexter in school. There's a lot of scams happening in India, and it really hurts me that people don't even care a little. Oh, Dexter, like this one? Or is school? Yeah, two different companies too, right? Like the name and like the. Oh, okay. Dexter Company. Interesting. Yeah, dude. Yeah, yeah. She's. I don't see it, man. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, you were there for like actual experience and like having something on your resume. I totally understand that. I totally understand that. And that's the right part to be. It's going to be rough. The starting is always rough, right? Like, not going to last. Starting, like, because you're changing something, things are coming in motion, it's going to be rough. But yeah, just don't lose hope and keep going, man. Like, for 2 months, I kept on giving just like, I was so hopeless at one point. I applied for so many companies, hardly was hearing back. Even when I had internship, I had a degree, I had like certificates in cloud and stuff. Still, like, it was so hard. And that was 2021. So like, trust me, it is hard, but just stay there, right? Stay, do not leave the ground, keep on playing. Yeah, yeah, true. So Ashish, yeah, like grind. And one thing, right? Look into bug bounty, so that's also a good way to prove your metal. It's crazy. So hopefully, like, soon you will get a one man. Soon you will, if you are like getting stuff from scammers, like CVs is a great way, yeah. And if you're getting like scammers on your radar, you will soon get like proper actual recruiters. So good thing is your resume, your profile is reaching some eyes. So that's a good news. Yeah, CV is a big one to put in your resume. No bug bounty? Why? Am I wearing anything? Oh, I'm just wearing a banyan. No bug bounty. What's that? BBP, bug bounty program. But also, one thing I will say, Ashish, you are on the right path. Look into your OSCP. Once you get OSCP, there's nothing you need to like show to anyone. Like, OSCP is very hard. Oh, okay. Yeah. But like, it's all trial, right? You keep applying, keep applying, keep applying. That's the main thing. Yeah. Without getting a role there. Makes sense. Like, yeah, just stay, like, try to create content on SAW, put it on LinkedIn. Try to create content that you are able to at least put like one content a day, right? That can help. Like, you need to just increase the frequency of the content. That's one thing I can tell you. Increase the frequency of the content. Yeah, pen testing is AppSec, 100%. Yeah, application security is way more than like bug bounties are different. Yeah, they have their own Venn diagrams, like there is overlap, but yeah, I understand what you're saying, I do. 100%. Okay, but yeah, yeah, do that. Do that. Gotcha. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But like do something. Basically, the idea is do something that you can show to people. The more you do stuff, the more you can show, people will be like, okay, this guy can do something, right? And also like Python, right? Learn Python, get good with Python. That's a big one. Okay, and we are all here to help you. Alrighty. Yeah, so let's get started with our 597 friend requests one overall acceptance rate. You guys can continue, right? Like provide more resources to help Ashish. I'll work towards this friend request one because I it's 11 p.m. for me. I really need to get to sleep. I've been up since 6 a.m. So table friend request. We have a table with the column name and type. So there are these columns: sender ID, send to ID, and request date. So int, and date. This table may contain duplicates. In other words, there are no primary key of this table in the SQL. This table contains the ID of the user who sent the request, ID of the user who received the request, and the date of the request. For penetration, directly do more CTF rooms and then one hub. Yeah, yeah. One hub is big. That's a really like good free resource. Yeah. Ashish, yeah, like unknown is right. Like do join morning ones more. So you're like doing Python related stuff every day. Like put at least 1 hour of Python in this, right? 1, 2 hours of stuff. It will help you. It will go long. Okay, so we have the table. There is one table, friend request. The other one is request accepted. So request ID, acceptor ID, accept date. Yeah. This table may contain duplicates. In other words, there is no primary key. The table contains the ID of the user who sent the request, the ID of the user who received the request, and the date the request was accepted. So the date of the request was sent, by whom it was sent, to whom it was sent, who received the request, ID of the user who sent the request, and who accepted. So basically, the date is the difference thing. Requester ID, who requested, is sender ID. Send to is the acceptor ID. Find the overall acceptance rate of requests, which is the number of acceptance divided by the number of requests. Return the answer rounded to two decimal places. Okay. Note that the accepted requests are not necessarily from the table this. In this case, count the total accepted requests, no matter where they are in the original request, and divide by the number of requests to wait, hold up. The accepted requests are not necessarily from the friend request table. So all the requests in here doesn't mean they actually came from the friend request. Okay. In this case, note you will have to give more time to the report stuff learn. Oh yeah, reporting is big. Like 2 days of reporting in the exam, like that itself tells, right? Thank you for sharing that wisdom, boss. In this case, count the total accepted requests, no matter where they are origin from, divided by the number of requests, total request in there. Find the overall acceptance date of request, which is the number of wait, sorry. Is it possible that a sender sends multiple requests? It is possible to the same receiver. The request should be accepted more than once, could be accepted more than once. In this case, the duplicate request or acceptance are only counted once. Okay. If there are no requests at all, you should return 0 as the acceptance rate. Okay. So we have two tables. We have to find unique in these cases, unique in these, and then like give the answer. So 1 to 2, right? 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. So we have 5 here. Accepted are 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. These are repeating, so we only consider only 4. So 4 by 5. 0.8. Okay. Okay. I don't. You have any write-up or blogging writing related resources? Yeah, that'd be a good one if you have any notes or anything. Okay, I have this. Write your SQL query. I don't want to write SQL query. Did I accidentally put SQL? Yeah, I don't think I want to do this one. Sorry. Sorry. I don't know how this came. I might have accidentally clicked on a wrong problem area. Might have clicked on database while selecting. I'm a dummy. Is 597 in here? Oh, it's in the hall, so that's why. Oh boy. Okay, lads. All good. We'll do something, right? Let's see if we can get an easy one. Read and let's see. Let's do meeting rooms. Let's do meeting rooms. Sorry, we'll scratch that. We'll do meeting rooms. I'll change the ID for today. I'm a dummy. Sorry, lads. So we'll do this one. Another premium one, so that's good. So meeting rooms, easy problem. Let's see the companies. Oh wow, it has been asked by Apple 3 times, Google twice in last 3 months. Uh, Last 6 months, TikTok, Meta, Amazon, Oracle, and more than 6 months, Microsoft, Bloomberg, Uber, and Palo Alto. Okay, given an array of meeting time, okay, I'll just send this in here. Okay, I sent this in the flex zone, lads, if you guys want to see for your convenience. Okay, here we go. So, given an array of meeting time intervals where interval I start and end, determine if a person could attend all the meetings. So, 0 to 30, 5 to 10, 15 to 20. No, because 5 to 10 is already in between here. 7, 10 to 4. Okay, true. Hmm. Intervals length could be this. I, so everyone will have only two values. Okay. Okay, let's think about this one. I think it would be similar to array because starting and ending can have 10 to the power 6. That's a long array. I don't think I want to do that. What can we do in the sense like it's basically like, hey, if somebody booked all these, right? I just put them as true, 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 true. And if somebody's trying to access this, anything in here, right? These are already true, so they can't attend all the meetings. Okay. To 10 to the power 6, that's crazy big. I'm thinking if we can like find a way to do something for a lower value. Like one simple case is like, it's not an optimal way, but like let's say given because we have space as a big thing. So let's say I will say time is the array with everything as false to start with times the length. I don't know the length, the biggest number. Find the biggest number then. Uh, Need to think of a smart optimal way to do it. Bonda? What's Bonda? No, I would love to though. I would love to. I love bhaji. Pav bhaji is one of my favorite things to eat. What data structures do we have that can help with this? Bhaji, not bhaji, bhaji. I haven't had that bhaji. Huh? No. Send it in the Discord. I would love to see the picture. I'm just thinking. I'm scared that I'm just thinking while with my eyes closed, I might fall asleep right away. So but I'm thinking like what data structure array would be a good one, but it's way going to be way too big. Finding the length. You can find the length of the highest number with just on, right? Um, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. What I want to do um, is I can find in on what is the biggest length, then like create an array of that, then like keep going over all those, right? I don't think that's the right way. What else we can do? If I have a bunch of numbers, okay. Oh, it's like vada. No, not vada. Vada pav. It's like that, right? It's like vada pav. Nice. It looks nice though. I am hungry. You are having that right now? No? Okay. You are having that right now though? Or something? Let's think, lads. I can create a string that would make it faster because I can create a string with everything as a f. And if I know, right, like, okay, index 7, so I'll go to this a substring. I'll change just the string with t's, those many t's. But first check if in this substring is there a t. Oh, nice. Okay, nice, bro. Looks tasty. It's too bad I have to like actually go to India to actually taste something like this. Um, how will I do this, lads? Map? Do you think? No. I think this would be a good way. Basically, we will go right. What we'll do find the biggest number in array. Ah, Ragi Mudde. 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 Ragi Mudde. Sorry. So what we do is find the biggest number in the string, create a string or list, sorry, list, create a string of that length. Now, every single of, me too, man. Now, every single one of them, right, can be, this is 2. Now, every single one of them should be F. That no, they haven't been occupied. This part hasn't been occupied. Now, what we can do is create a for loop for every, interval. We check the substring, take that substring, check if T is in it. If yes, then return false. If not, remove and then put T's in it, right? And yeah, if there is ever, if not, then just here, if this happens, if T is there, return true or false. Actually, return false because they can't attend all the meetings. Okay, let's try that method first. Max equals 0. Max equal maximum R. For now it's 0. It should be max of, because it will be like, if you notice, right, start and end will always be bigger than start, right? Interval or max. This will give us the maximum value. Now we just do max here. We create time, right, or schedule for every interval in intervals. Delhi staple food. Also, I don't know Delhi staple food if it would have one, but for me, best breakfast. Oh, it's hard. It's hard to tell because I love poha. My mom makes really good poha. I love Amritsari kulche, chole bhature in the morning too. Really good. Like gets you going, right? Then there is dosa. I love dosa, eating dosa and idli in the morning or vada. Kachori. There is a very good kachori wala near my house, so I love their kachori. Uh, what again? What else could be a good one? Yeah, if I'm having poha, I will have with chai. If I'm having chole bhature, it would be with lassi. Raita with kachori. South Indian would be just with water, max, or maybe coffee, cold coffee. Mm. Yeah, man, those are the staple food, I will say, like one of those things for me. That's what I will eat. If I'm in India, those are the morning breakfast for me. One of those things. Or just prante, aloo prante with like chai, or like, sorry, muli prante with chai, or aloo prante with like lassi, or even, yeah, just chai too. Lovely. Good day already. Bro, I'm hungry now. I don't know how will I go. Those will be things playing in my mind now. What do you think like Delhi staple food should be? Like Delhi, I like the fact that there's so much good food. I can't, bro. Like all things are closed. The maximum I can get is Domino's pizza. I don't want that. I should not eat after this like time. I'm very like I want to complete this so I can go to bed. I'm very 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 tired. So let's get first substring equal to here actually is not bad. In India, well, actually in India is better. Yeah, I'll give you that. Sorry, I'll give you that. Python substring start end, right? So we can just give start and end. Okay. Uh, Interval start index interval end index. Lapinos. What is oh, it's a brand. Oh, I know this one. Oh, I know this one. Their food, their pizza is really good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I know this one. I had it once. It was pretty nice. Yeah, yeah. So we have substring schedule interval, right? What next? I check if the in substring return false, else schedule is equal to oh yeah, dude. I think I had their one with the. I think there is something similar called fresh slice here. The pizza is okay too, like Lapinos. I think I will take the cake in this. But yeah, they do the same. Like one slice you can take or something. You know, one of the best place to eat in Canada. There's something. There's one of the interesting things I first time ate here was poutine, Poutine, and the best one I feel like the best one you can ever have, which is also vegetarian because I can eat vegetarian only, would be Costco. It's a grocery store, a very big one of the biggest ones ever. And yeah, like Costco's stuff is really good. Costco's poutine is like top notch. Try poutine if you ever. Really, I can't eat anything non-veg, so I don't know anything. Schedule plus. Yeah, I'm a vegetarian, boss. I'm a vegetarian. Yeah, I'm a veggie guy. Yes, I'm a veggie guy. Schedule. So this will give me what I want, right? For is out. It replaced everything. Print schedule return. Wait, can they attend all those? False, else return true. Veggie, bro. Bro, I love paneer. I love paneer. Ooh, I can't live without paneer. Paneer, doodh. Like, I drink chai. I drink chai. This chai I was drinking in the morning, that had milk. I can't live without milk. That's like one of the things I just can't. When first time I heard somebody said they were lactose intolerant, I was just shocked because I was like, how can somebody live without milk? I was super shocked. I do eat biryani, but it's like a vegetarian biryani, right? Wait, what's the issue here? Oh, wait, interval. What? I knew that was coming. I knew that was coming. I've seen a video in which the guy says, pulao, khilao. There is no veg biryani. Okay, you know what? I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Sure. So pulao. Yeah, I eat pulao. But like with like paneer, like deep fried paneer and stuff, like I just love, yeah. I'm hungry. Yo, Ranch. Nice, bro. Yo, Ranch, how was the exam, boss? How was the Viva? Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. 0 and 30. Oh, I did this wrong. I'm the idiot. Max R. Can't deliver sequence. Hmm. F the Viva done the have there. Nice, huh? Nice, nice. How can there be a veg biryani? Dude, you're asking the wrong person, boss. You're asking the wrong person. I'm one who likes to eat. Like you tell me on the menu, this is this, I will eat. What is What's up, bro? Welcome to the CH family. Oh, I should do this. Have you done today's daily? I haven't. No. Miss chat. What? Oh, gotcha, gotcha. No, poha is different. Sure. What's up, bro? Also, there is the Discord if you want to join. We do cybersecurity stuff and like lead code there. I have premium membership, so I can send you like the editorial of that if you need help. Do you contribute to open source? I would love to. I have done one contribution once and like some contributions to Stack Overflow, but I haven't done many contributions. The one which I will say I'm proud of, very small ones. And I have like I don't know why I'm just never satisfied. So I haven't done anything big yet. Oh, I do have some closed source stuff. Can you tell me how to get started if you know? Yeah, sure. Give me like 1 minute. I want to see like how I can improve this, and then like just like give me like 5 minutes, right? Like if you want, like I want to see, and then I'll show you a really good way. Facilitator. I have no idea what that is. I will copy it just to make sure I don't miss out on it. Oh, okay, sure. I have done Google Labs, so I know GCP stuff. I was today. I worked for 6 hours on a automation system using just on AWS cloud so that backups can be moved from RDS snapshots, which are like very expensive, to a AWS backup with a proper retention policy and everything. I architected the whole thing. Took me 6 hours to complete. Bro, my code is just so goated, man. My code is just so goated. They need to like improve. I'm just thinking, okay, how can some people like be reaching here? What do you think we can do here? Let's look at the topics. Array and sorting. Array and sorting. Okay, if I'm last third and second chat. Biryani means wait. Yeah, biryani means meat fried and cooked rice. Yes. How can there be a veg biryani? Yeah, yeah. That's what you mean, right? Yeah. No, I read this. I read all of this. Yeah, no, I read all of that, bro. I probably forgot to talk, like read it out loud, but yeah, I read that. I understand. I didn't know biryani that was thing. Time complexity O O factorial n factorial. No, I think this one is just we are going over intervals once and twice, so 2n, so n. But some people are doing it in that way. Uh, how can I make it better? Any idea? Yeah, I did. This is a premium one, so I actually did like 252 meeting room. It's in the flex zone. Okay. Yeah, topics are array and sorting. Yeah, so question if you go, bro, like in the flex zone, in the Discord, if you go in the flex zone, you can see. But here's the question if you guys just want to see it, here you go. Here's the thing. They mentioned sorting. Linear equation method, one in C or C. One Armstrong in C and linear equation method. Dude, that's like easy. That's like college level stuff. You're doing these things in your third level and college and or fourth year. This is yeah, like I don't know. This is something a second year thing, I believe. Like one, if you are spend 1 year on that, like on coding, you should be able to do it in second year. I think they don't care. Like here's one thing, right? Look at my case or look at like your teacher's case or professor's case. One thing I have realized is teaching can be the easiest job or the hard. Mic drop moment coming. Teaching can be the easiest job or the hardest job, given you care about your students' future. That one condition can make this job easiest or the hardest, right? If you care about your students, right, you have to make sure everybody is like taken care of. You are making sure they're actually understanding, not just memorizing stuff. You are actually coming up with creative ways so people understand, having real life analogies, real life examples, training your brain to even think like that. But yeah, I guess that's way far in this game, right? Like Like when I'm coming, I'm trying to think like, oh, what can I do or stuff, right? Sometimes I just think, okay, do you guys understand what I'm saying? Come up with like bank example because coffee one is shit. But teachers, a lot of them are just getting the paycheck and they're happy with that. Sorry to break that up to you, man. Last year, yeah, dude, yeah, like this is not worth like in third year. What you should be asking, hey, um, I want to create a password manager, right? Write that code for me. Password manager should have some hashing, something like even a basic one, not super secure, but something like that. I remember in my third year, I created a node. I think third or fourth year, I created a node to node in a distributed system. This was concurrency or distributed programming class. I created a node to node communication, a secure communication using triple DES and DES. That's the only one I was allowed. I was going for AES, but my professor said that's way too complex. Don't do AES. If you can do DES and triple DES, that is more than enough for me to see. So I created one, a really good one. There was a CLI version, there was a proper GUI version, and everything, right? So it was pretty good. And I had like a 17-page report on it. That's how good like I was in cryptography, and like I actually went into cryptography a lot. Sure. Oh, actually, you know what? Till we are thinking, I'll give you idea, right? Like, let's talk about what you should do as students at this point. But I think in India, if you speak in English, whatever, they get impressed and oh, 100%, man. Okay, so lads, if you are students, these are couple of things you can do. First, let's start with open source, right? Open source contribution. Oh, web dev, that's up my alley. Yeah, there is a really good website, Code Triage. This is the one. Code Triage is a website where like a lot of open source. There are so many. There are 10,000 plus open source repos, right? Using Code Triage. What this is, you can actually look which one of them have a bunch of issues that are open. You can select the language or the framework. So, for example, let's say we have web dev. So I'll go with React. Is React here or no? It's just language here, okay? So I'll go with like let's say TypeScript, okay? TypeScript, there is Kibana, which is a Elastic Kibana. Beautiful project. Very well done. Very important in cybersecurity for threat intelligence. AWS CDK, Prisma, so many are there, right? No, that's the thing. So you see the issue, right? Now let's say if I bring up even Kibana, right? Let's start with the first one, Kibana, right? I'll go to their GitHub. Now, important thing, when you go to the issues, right? There is labels. You see the labels, good first issue, low hanging fruit. This is the label is for the people who are actually want to get started into open source development. It's a very easy low hanging fruit to help you get started, right? And you can actually look now, add error message as fallback, right? It's actually not that hard to do. These are really long hanging fruits. All you have to do is understand what the system is saying. You can ask questions here, right? There is chat happening. You can ask questions, try to do it. And if you don't do it, that's fine. There is people ready to help you. But these are the ones you should look for. I was very interested in trying to contribute to it, like to open source. Just like didn't get chance, honestly. Um, but yeah, like normally these are the things you should do, right? Good first issue. Fuck no. Sorry for the F word, but no. You are not late. You are early. No, you are not late, bro. Like, dude, hear me out. I'll just give you my example. I just love giving this example because this is authentic as hell. Oh yeah, go with the project. That's a great advice. Do something you already like. Like I know about Kibana, I have used it, right? So I know about it. But let's say if you are into React, and that too in Redux in React, right? As a web developer, look exactly into that. See if they have issues, and then you will love it because you know exactly how things work. You don't have to learn a new software, right? And let me show you something here. Look at the analytics, right? That's good, man. So look at the analytics, bro. And it's important to understand the reality of life. I'll show you here. Let's see the subscribers, right? Uh, you see my subscriber count? It's up, sometimes it's down, sometimes it's up. All these things, these are like actual. This is not subscribers count, this is subscribers. Still same, right? You see, it's up and down. Things go up and down all the time. You are not late. You most importantly, what I'm saying, and I'm at 856 subscribers in a year. I was planning actually at 500, right? I'm like way past that. I'm about to double that thing. The most important thing to remember, right? W's in the chat. But most important thing to remember in life, consistency can actually like is the best thing out there. Consistency actually can like take down any problems you made, like any mistakes you made in the past. Consistency can like, bro, just stay consistent. Just contribute at least 1 hour. Like for example, for Ashish, I keep on telling, contribute to lead code at least 1 hour. You do it, you don't do it, it's fine. Most important is work hard, right? Because that's actually the reality. If in your mind you are actually, especially as a student, I will give this to anyone, especially students, like don't worry about like think about future too much. Work, be consistent, because sure, but like be make sure. Another question a lot of people ask is, hey, if I like what if I'm on the wrong path? Dude, nobody know, like everybody when they are starting, right? Like for example, business MBA degree came after there were so many thousands of businesses were made. MBA is a degree that came after. Still, MBA people make mistakes. You won't know if you have made a mistake or not. Just spend enough time, right? For example, if to master a skill, right? To master, be the absolute best in it, you need at least to spend 10,000 hours in it, right? But when you spend even just like 1,000 hour in a skill, within first 1,000 hour, you will know exactly if you are right or wrong, but you will know enough to make the right decisions. Bro, I just saw Korean gay and some girls are taking. Dude, I can't say that. Yeah, probably BTS and all those things. I don't know. Like basically, Korean guy like in India was traveling and girls just went crazy. But yeah, so dude, like, don't worry about that. But like, bro, do you have a name you go with easy to for me to say? Votism? Just any like easy for me to say. Vote? Okay. So vote, like you understand, right? Even with AI, if you actually spend like first 1,000 hours, you will make mistakes. There is no doubt about it. Even with cybersecurity, I have made mistakes, man. But now, good part is because I've spent 1,000 hours, I'm confident. But like with 1,000 hours, at least I'm confident. I know I'm on the right path now, right? So it is just will take time. There is no shortcut to it. You just have to spend at least 1,000 hours to know if you are doing right or not. And you had another question. Go for it, right? So don't worry. And the Discord I have, right? The people here in this Discord, there are sometimes they are like people like Wrench, even me. Sometimes we are just having fun. We'll say something stupid to you or somebody, but yeah, like we come to Trava. But yeah, yeah, people will say things to you. But like at the end of the day, sounds good, bro. Unknown. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. Why do people say use Linux? Depends on what you want, man. Linux is just, I will say this, Linux is Okay. This is the reason. This is the reason. I don't know. Like, here's the thing. Linux is better. There's no doubt about it. You get more freedom. Like in Google's job requirement page, they mention experience in Linux and Unix. Like the reason is because majority of the things run on Linux. So majority of the things in the world run on Linux. Like your web servers, your, let's say, your phone, right? So web server, Google itself, phone, Android, right? And even, let's say, for example, cars, autonomous cars, Waymo. You see, all of them are actually Google, part of the Google. So reason why people say Linux, because you will have more control over it, right? It's like, hey, you will have more control over it. Basically, you will be able to do more things to it, and you will learn more how computers work. It's good to know Linux, 100%. It's good to like play with Linux, because once you actually play with Linux, and if you are into development, you will you will love Linux anyways. Like start with Ubuntu. That's where I started. Ubuntu. Or if you have, like, if you want, right? If you have a Raspberry Pi, there is one RetroPie. Look into RetroPie. You will know why people love Linux and what things, amazing things people can do. This is like one of my favorite Linux versions of all time, because it has a bunch of retro games, and I have a Raspberry Pi. You can select all the OG systems, over 50 systems, retro games. Yeah, it's just sexy, bro. It's like, this is what I want. It's fun, right? So Linux is basically, you can do things whatever. Linux is, yeah, sure, go for it. Do you think I will mind? Oh yeah, piracy is coming back, bro. There is no way anybody can deny that piracy is not coming back. And guess what? Linux is the foundation of that. Is the pirate life for me, 100%. I agree. Piracy is coming back. Nobody can deny that. It's going to be fun. I would love to see how things go, and especially able to download GTA 6 when I'm 60 years old through piracy. It would be fun. It's released when I'm 59 years old. At 60, I'm able to play it. I would be very happy. I have heard about DevOps, no idea what it is though. Like, I make projects, but I only deploy it on services like Vercel. I guess it's better to learn about AWS and stuff, which comes. Yes, I am a DevOps engineer actually. I have experience in DevOps. No, bro, I'm 27, so yeah, I hope GTA 6 is released when I'm 57, 58. Hopefully, it will be GTA 6, right? I hope. Yes, a bunch. So to give you idea, DevOps, two words: development, operations. So you are going to develop things, pipelines, basically, so that there are like a lot of developers out there in your team. Let's say you have software backend developers, software developers, front end developers. They need to put things out in the world, right? Another word for DevOps is SRE, site reliability engineer. What these people do, including me, is we create pipelines, so all the code that the developers are doing, right, goes through this pipeline, goes through these like environments so that it can work on the production. These are development environments, staging environments, testing environments, and then at the end reach production environment when it's stable, there is no bugs into it. Yes, it does. Everything is Docker. Docker is something you should learn. Docker is something and it's not hard to learn. Best way to learn this is YouTube. One of the best ones, there are two ones I love talking about. Network Chunk, a really fun guy, lovely guy, love his energy. Dude, he's a dude type of a mentor. Another one will be Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is a good one, but sometimes I feel it's a hit and miss. That's a good question. Yeah, there is a Docker playground. Drench, can you share that? You didn't mention. So DevOps and SRE, there are like full stack is a different job, right? DevOps is a different job. I will say if you are in third year, right, most important thing to do right now is again go back to data structure and algorithm, grind on lead code, grind on lead code. Because this is what will be asked in the interviews at least for a year, right? Then like get used to of using thank you so much boss. Yeah, Docker Playground here. Thank you so much, Wench. So here you go, another beautiful link. Um, and I was saying, sorry, I lost my train of thought. Yes, so data structure and algorithm do at least one lead code problem a day, right? Um, and practice these, and then also learn with AI, learn about AI. Nice, bro. Yeah, keep doing that, right? And learn about AI in the sense how to integrate AI into development. But first, make the code, try to do something, and ask AI to improve it, and then understand why it is better, why AI is better. For example, hey, you want to write a code to, let's say, run a website, a simple program, right? Yeah, in dev. No, like not AI as a feature, but AI as vibe coding and stuff. So first, you want to run a website. That's your project, right? So you write the code for it, or write the low-level design for it. Write the design, right? Try to see if you have asked a bunch of questions. Then ask AI to improve the design. See what design changes it has made, and learn from that, right? Design changes, do the same for like, okay, develop something small, ask AI to improve it in terms of security checks, if I'm missing any unit test cases, all those things. Do that, right? Like ask AI to first do code, write the code, then ask AI to improve it and see where you are having a shortfall, right? That's how AI you should use, especially as a student, because first you learn development, you won't be in a tutorial hell, which is a very bad thing, right? You will go blank. Tutorial hell is a reality, right? Second, AI will help you improve, because you, instead of you going to someone and say requesting, begging them, any of your seniors, like, hey, can you look at my code? Can you look at my code? No, AI will look at your code, and you will learn how to use better AI better, right? With prompt engineering, system prompts, chain of thought, tree of thoughts, all those techniques, zero shot, one shots, few shots, right? You will learn those things because I'm doing that right now, right? I created the AWS pipeline. I'm saying I created today. It is like taking the snapshots, basically the backups of databases, multiple databases from its original state where it's like actually expensive. I think, let's say, for example, it's $1 per GB, or actually $0.1, $0.1 per GB per month, to a service called AWS Backup, which is 0.01 GB. So I legit saved 90% of their bill on the backup. I asked AI, hey, I want to do this. I feel like these are the ways. What do you think, if you were in my position, what are the ways you think, or what services in AWS I can use, act as a solutions architect? It gives me a couple of options. I'd research on them and say, okay, I've selected this one. Tell me about this more. Stuff like that, right? I use it. It took me 6 hours of like actually sitting down and working through it today. So that's how you need to do. Okay, and getting back to our game, right? I need to understand. I need to understand one thing: how to improve this. But hopefully, what like you understood, right? Like what I'm saying with open source, what I said with how to get started with open source development stuff, right? And AI, and like your focus should be data structures and algorithm, lead code, right? And do development is great because it will, if you build something that's actually useful, it will give you way more confidence in life, right? No problem, man. I got you. And join the Discord. It's free, right? It will always be free. What is CF? CTF, you mean? CF. What is CF? I don't know. I know CH. Oh, why did Code Forces? Okay, gotcha. Nice. Nice. Yeah, do that. Like, do these things. It's good. Create like a profile there, right? And work on your GitHub as well. I should do like a GitHub one soon, man. Supposed to do yesterday, last weekend, but okay. Okay, lads. So, what do you guys think? What I can do? What I can do to improve this? Isn't this sort or just iterate? Like, if we do sort, how what benefit it will do if I sort this? This is O2n, right? Because it goes over all the intervals. Here it does this. So 2n. Sort will take it to n log n first and then n. That's my idea. N log n plus n. So it will actually be better, yeah. N log n plus n. Wait, will it be n? If I sort it. Okay, let's say, I think, okay, I understand. If I sort everything, so for example, the case is like this. If I sort stuff, okay, so this, sorting the intervals, yeah, okay, yeah, because I think it will then be n log plus 1, log n plus 1, better than 2, better than 2n. I'm just thinking, okay, I do it, I sort, how the sorting will be, okay, let's see. If it does the sort, no. Wait, if I'm doing sort on this, should it be like this? Sort? I forgot. My brain doesn't work. Bit rusty on Python, so I don't know what you are doing. Oh, dude, I'm trying to see how to sort like a list of lists. So, okay, item getter. Oh, keys. Okay, I have to define which key based on which key. Got it. Okay, nice. So, I'll just use this lambda expression. So intervals dot sort key is this. Actually, in our case, it will be 0. Okay, I get this in. I am not getting output. Why I'm not getting output? Your wrench. Do you know why I'm not getting output? Intervals is this based on 10, 20, 30. Nice. Okay. Intervals is getting sorted. It got sorted. So I have to just keep checking if they are like bigger or not. Right? So this is removed. Yeah. Yeah. You were right. You were right. 100% boss. Thank you. Now keep going over intervals. Let's say I'll start like x or previous is equal to, let's say, -1. If previous greater than 0, return false, else previous is equal to. Oh, hell yeah. Thank you so much, boss. Nice. I should have thought of sorting. Thank you. So this is a proper solution. Sure, I can show you the weekly premium. Sure. Not. Is this the one? Where's the weekly premium? Problems. Oh, this one. This one? Oh, wait. No. Oh, this one. I can just send you this. I can send the picture in the Discord. Yeah. There you go, boss. Example 1. Let me know if you do you need the editorial or no. Howdy unknown. Editorial, okay. Do you want the editorial for just this one or the other one as well? Okay, I won't give you then. I won't give you then. I don't want to promote that. Yeah, I won't promote that. Wrench, you don't want me to do anything bad, right? You care about me, so I won't do that. Okay? I won't send the editorial. Yeah. No, it's okay. I think I don't want to promote anything wrong. Wrench is sensitive. He's a smart guy too. He can figure it out. I want a please from you. Okay, I'll send that editorial after the stream. I'll send the editorial so you guys can have a look, right? Premium, its editorials are great. I like it. And you can just ask me. I think for premium, if you need anything, you can just ask me, boss. You really don't have to pay. Like, if there is any problem you need to look, you can ask me. There's like GitHubs with all those problems, premium problems with the solutions and everything. So, yeah. Like, for if you know someone, you really don't need premium, boss. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. But if you're grinding really, really hard, you're like, you know what? I want to finish, let's say, 300 problems or 100 problems a month or 150 problems a month. You are going like super hard. Then premium will help, right? With the analysis, with everything. But yeah, yeah, you can use some extension to like go through these, right? Or something. There is 100% like workarounds to this. Okay, lads. That's all I think I have for you, and I will look at this Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program. Okay, I can help you with that, right? Like I can like promote this if you guys want. You got to refer for Accenture is a good one. Do go for Accenture. Accenture is a good one. Sounds good, bro. Accenture is a good one. Here's the thing, cybersecurity guy. Yes. The reason I'm saying yes is because it just develop your thinking. Like lead code is just another way to develop your thinking, right? Thinking in various ways, right? Like yeah, like it's just another way of solving puzzles, like training your mind to think harder. Because cybersecurity at the end of the day is like solving a puzzle. You are just like finding another way to solve puzzle. Like I play chess a lot. I don't know if you guys know that. No, like I play chess a lot too. My ranking is 11. It has dropped a lot. I was at 1300 or 14. So like I can show some games. Like I used to love playing chess at one point. And I sometimes just better better like you just need to learn. Like there is so much things to learn, openings, right? Like puzzles is a good way, right? Gets you like you just again like it's just training your brain to think that way. It's just training your brain. Like for example, let's see if I have this puzzle. Okay, sure, I will do that. Unknown, I will talk to Google and maybe I can like do some cloud stuff. I would love that. I would love that. I can actually tell them like, hey, there's a lot of people, so I would love that. I'm down to do that. So this is our chess puzzle. uh, Not much to think. Yeah, I'll do that 100%. And no need to cheat, bro. This is not that hard at all. What the fuck? Dude, these problems are so easy. The daily, daily puzzle? Okay. So let's see. Why to move? Try and stop me. Okay. Hmm. Sunday is hardest? Okay. No. What I have to do? White to move. Okay, so it's my turn as white. Okay. What do I have to do? I have to stop, try to stop me. Okay. I have to make, okay, there is this one. This will advance one, two. I have to stop it in somehow. Okay. I had no idea. Okay. To find the best move. Explain thinking. I think here my first was like this, but then I realized like here I know it has to take this, right? Because I hate this. It has to take this. If not, it doesn't take this. I'm taking this. If it moves here, if I take this, it can't move here because I will go here. So it takes this, right, at the end of the day. So it takes this. Now, if I go here, because two steps I can take, right? He like for like if I don't go here, first I have to protect this move. It goes here. I don't know why this one was the best move because I will say like this is a good one. Or maybe it actually makes sense. Like if it was going here, I go here, yeah. But this is like almost GG's by now. Because I had to protect this one, right? Now it can't go here, can't go here, can't go here, can't go here, can't go here. Right? That's the idea. Is there any else? Let's see. Black to move. Black to move. What is my job? Okay. Sounds good. What was the date on last Sunday? This is the last thing I'll doing, and then I'll turn off and go to bed. So this is the one. Okay. Why to move? Give on. Okay. So why to move? If I go here, the max he can do is come here. Can't go here. And I take this, and he's blocked. But no. Okay. What is wrong with that? That is wrong with it. Okay, because it takes there. take this. Wait, I got kicked out of? Why? Wait, who got kicked out of it? Why? Wait, what happened? What happened? Like, got kicked out of the stream? I didn't get that. Okay, no, 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 it didn't end. It didn't end. Yeah, refresh. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. What if I take this? Is it good? Bad? Is it even necessary? If I take this, is it even necessary? No. This though. Oh, because then he can't go here. Hmm. If I go this, either I can take this or it can take mine. Still, I can just go this, but I can't go here because of this here. Okay. I really need to take this to do other stuff, but is this the right move? No, I can't afford anything other than like a proper move. Okay, nice. Welcome back. Welcome back, boss. Anything I do, it can turn into a really terrible mistake. So I have to be very careful. So there is one this way, but then this is the chance. So if I do this, and if he takes this, if I do this, yeah. Now if I do this, he's checked. No, that won't help me. Because if he moves here, I move here, I can just go here, and then I'm done for. Maybe something like this, because then I can do this. Okay, that was it. Nice, nice, bro. Okay, it's good. I'm getting my chess knowledge back. Hi, Eddie. Idor, catch up now. Yeah, I'm just like somebody mentioned chess. Like I think somehow I mentioned chess, maybe. But yeah, let's yeah solve the puzzle for this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. We can't go with the free one. Enjoy. These are like good problems to solve, honestly. These are just fun, honestly. Just take it here. Yeah, I don't know what else to say to you. Why not? If I take this, has to change. Go here. Oh, makes sense. Why not? What about this guy? Still? Someone asked if LC is necessary. Oh, okay, yes. Somebody asked if late code is good for cybersecurity. Yes, yes. Yeah. How many moves to make? Like, do they tell you? I don't remember shit. Hen. Oh, like they I think it was unknown asking as a security person, is it good to like, is it beneficial to like do lead code problems if your main goal is cybersecurity? And I was like, it's just good because like lead code is just another like chess or Sudoku or something like that. Just helps your brain to think, or like trains your brain to think and solve puzzles. Not necessary. It's a good thing though. Yes, then I have my way to chess. Yes. That's probably what happened. Yep, that's exactly what happened, lads. No, it's not necessary. It's not necessary, but it's just like your brain, I feel like, is like, just good to like have the habits of solving puzzles. I feel like it's just because every time, like, if what I'm thinking, right? I'm not a security engineer. Like, I'm actually a security DevSecOps person. So I do security development, but not hacking. So in security development, I'm always do like chess, like playing chess. I feel like has made me think of, oh, what can happen? Or what if this happens or that happens? Just like kind of like has helped in terms of like just thinking and getting used to of that. But no, I am a secure DevSecOps person. Like that is my title. That has been my title for the project. DevSecOps engineer. So even like the one I was talking about, the backup thing I did with the AWS, it is all secure. I've worked on like making sure nothing passes outside a private network. All the backups, everything happens inside the VPC and like certain security groups, right? Even inside VPC. That's just my idea. I could be wrong. I 100% can be wrong because everybody is different. It's just personally for me, I like it. There's nothing else I have to say other than like I personally like it. Yeah, but that was it, lads. Thank you so much for joining. It was fun, like doing some lead code, playing chess, solving puzzles. And tomorrow I will be coming, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, one of those 2 days. Probably tomorrow I will be coming for some hack the box. Yeah. But tomorrow I will be coming for some hack the box. We'll do some like easy ones, right? To start our hack the box journey as well. Resume. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. You too, boss. Really nice to see you. Right. Yeah, that's all I have. And I believe some people wanted to chat with me in private, so my DMs is open. I'll be up for another 5-10 minutes. So after that, I will be going to bed. So thank you so much, lads. Hope you have a great day. Tomorrow I'll be coming for some hacking in the morning, and yeah, just some Slack or chill session. And yeah, alrighty, alrighty. No, I'm not waiting. Okay, with that being said, thank you so much, lads. This was your favorite censored hacker signing off with a big bye. Thank you so much, lads. Have a great weekend and enjoy your time with the family. Okay? Chill. Peace out. Thank you. Jai Shri Ram.